I guess when I think about family food, it always goes back to my grandma and grandpa. They lived in Tennessee, and my grandpa had a huge, I don't know, I guess you could call it a farm. It was a shared community farm, and we'd go out there as kids, and we'd always pick everything with him, and he'd grow these zucchinis that were literally, the size of a calf. They were huge. And we'd go back, and my grandma and all of us girls and the boys would get involved too. We'd make some delicious zucchini bread, and then whenever we wanted some blueberry pie or blueberry pancakes, we'd head back out and bring our little buckets, pick all the blueberries, and come back in and just make everything with blueberries. It was delicious. Yeah, but Grandma, has the best recipes. Of course, she shares those recipes, but she doesn't follow them herself because she just knows it by memory. So when we try to make it off the recipe, it's never as good as Grandma.